Hey guys, how's it going? As you can see, I'm doing a Bosu plank, and as you might guess, today is a Bosu workout. Not a follow along yet, I will be coming up with that soon, but I'm going to show you a handful of Bosu exercises, primarily for the core, but of course when you work the core, you work a lot of other body parts too. So let's get started. Okay, on this one, I'm going to do a kind of a moving plank. My forearms are going to be resting on the ball. I want to keep my body in a straight line. I just come up to each hand and alternate. Up, up, down, down. So what I want to do on this one is be consistent on one side, meaning up with the left first, then the right, then down with the left, then down with the right. And then the next set I could switch it where I start with the right side. It may not sound like a big difference, but if, most of us are either left or right-handed, so using your dominant side first or dominant side second will make a difference. So on this one, it's kind of like a reverse crunch using the Bosu. So you may have seen in other videos of mine me doing this, and there's different ways of doing it. Today I'm going to show you kind of the easier of the two ways. It's one leg at a time, but you kind of have to brace yourself because this is partially filled with air, so it's not as stable. That's what makes it work the core even more. So I'm going to grab it here, alternating knees up. Now you could do this both knees at the same time, which is more difficult. Now you could also alternate knees to chest where your feet touch the floor or they don't touch the floor. Not touching the floor requires more balance, therefore it's going to require more from the core. It's a good exercise, you should give it a shot. Now with mountain climbers, you could do it either way. You could do it with the blue side up or the black side up. And Bosu comes in different colors, so it may not be blue, but this one is blue. So anyway, I prefer to do it this way. It is a little bit more difficult with the puffy side up or the round side up because your hands are going to move some. So if you have bad wrists, I don't recommend doing it that way. However, this is a little bit more stable. Same thing applies with keeping the hips down. I could walk the mountain climbers and do it nice and slow pace. Or what might be more preferential to you too, so you can get your heart rate going and work the core, is going at a quick pace. But once again, the key is to keep the hips down and you go as quickly as you feel comfortable going through that range of motion and really work those core muscles, the stabilizer muscles, and getting that heart rate going. So guys, hopefully that video was helpful. There's lots of Bosu ball exercises you could do. I try to make the video short and sweet, so if you have other exercises that you want me to show you, just let me know in the comment box below, and I'll be happy to help you out, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day.